everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how to manage the Post Dated Cheque, which means a PDC for vendor payments in Odoo 19. So let's understand what you mean by a vendor PDC means. Okay, so imagine that you guys are going to issue a check to a supplier by purchasing any kind of product from them. Okay, but the check date is actually in the future. And you need to understand that the money should not leave your bank account today itself, but it will be moving from our bank account once we are providing or once we are going to pay them to the supplier as well. So we need to do something inside Odoo 19 because we need to record the liability correctly without reducing the bank balance immediately as well. So let's see the proper workflow using Odoo 19 accounting module. And one more thing is there. In the previous video, we have already discussed about how to manage a post date check, which means a PDC for the customer payment as well. So if you have not watched that video, please do check it out and you can simply move to the vendor payment as well. So for configure the vendor payment or to do the PDC inside Odoo 19 account, let's head over to the configuration. Under the configuration, we need to head over to the chart of accounts because we need to create a new chart of account. So here I'm already created one, which means a PDC payables. So let's move to there. So you all know that once we are going to issue a check to a supplier, it's actually means we are paying to them. So here I'm selected it as a post dated check for the payables, and there we have the code and under the type, which means this is actually a liability. So we need to pay them later. So here I'm providing the bank type as or account type as a current liability. Okay. And here I'm allowing the reconciliation and it is in activate stage as well. So there you can find a smart button which shows there is zero balance as well. So now let's head over to the journals. Okay. So by specifying with the journal, in the previous video, we have already discussed about how to create a journal like PDC, which means a check. Okay. So here I've already created a journal, which is check. And there we have the bank, type, which is given as a bank. Okay. So once you're providing it as a bank, you all know that the journal entries, all the configured option will be auto-populated by the Odoo. So here there you can find the bank account which is providing as a check, and moving on to the internal link you can find the type as a bank and cash. Okay, let's move back to the check, and there you can also find the suspense account, and under the suspense account moving on to the internal link you can find the type is actually providing as current asset. Now let's move to the profit account. Under the profit account there you can find it is cash difference gain, and moving on to the internal link there you can also find the type as income, and under the loss there you can also find it as an expense. Okay, so you need to ensure that all particular accounts are ready to use. Okay, and here I'm also going to check this option which is dedicated payment sequence, and under the bank feeds I didn't identified yet, and not identified, undefined yet. And let's move to the outgoing payments. So while we are dealing with the vendor payments, here the payment is actually moving to outside. So that's why it's providing an outgoing payment. For a customer payment, we have already chosen the incoming payment and we set up all the outstanding receipt accounts as well. But for a vendor payment, we need to choose an outgoing payment. So here under the payment method, you can finally see the payment method as a manual payment. So here I'm selecting it as, and there we have the name, and we need to enable or we need to ensure that under the outstanding payments account, there we have the PDC payables. Okay. So here I'm set up as a PDC payables once we have created chart of account. So by clicking on there, we are moving to the internal link, which means the created chart of accounts under inside Odoo 19 accounting module. Let's move back to the check. Okay. So you need to set up the outstanding payment account as a PDC payables. Once you're done with that, let's head over to the vendors and we need to create a bill. So for creating a bill, let's click on the new button, and here I'm going to provide the vendor name, which is Jerry. So once I'm done with that, I want to provide the bill date. So here I'm providing it as today, and we need to set up the accounting date as the future date. Okay, so here I'm providing it as, let me provide it as 20. Once I'm done with that, there you can find the accounting date as 20. And there we have the recipient bank, due date and everything. So here I'm also providing it as 20. So the due date is for 20. Okay. So the due date is set up as 20. So now let's head over to the invoices line, and there you can find the invoicing line, and we need to add the product. So let me head over to the catalog, and there you can find a product which is table. So here I'm going to add the table, and let's add 5 quantity of table. Once I'm done with that, let's head over to the draft bill. Okay. So there you can find the total price, which means $3,000, and for 1 unit it actually cost $600 as well. So once you are done with that, let's confirm. Okay, now let's confirm this, and there you can find the particular bill is in the post stage. Okay, so now we need to create a payment corresponding to this particular bill. So you need to understand who is the vendor and what is the due date, and as well as how much is the total amount as well. So let's head over to the payment. Under the payment, here I'm going to create a new payment. Okay, so now let's provide it as Jerry. Okay, and I want to provide the amount as well. So you all know that the payment type is actually in sent stage, which means it is a vendor payment. Okay, and there you can find the date as well. So here I'm providing it as February 20, and there we have memo. Under the memo, I'm providing it as PDC. Okay, so once I'm done with that, we need to choose our journal which have been created, which is check. Okay, and here I'm providing the payment method as manual payment. Once I'm done with that, let's confirm this. Okay, so once I'm confirming this, you can also find this is in process stage, but not in paid stage. Okay, so we are completed the payment. We are actually getting the process of this actual payment. Okay, now let's head over to the reporting session. I can simply show you the reports. Under the general ledger, we can simply move to the PDC payables. So there we have the total PDC payables. So there you can find the current invoice that we are, not current invoice, the current bill that we have created. Okay, so there you can find the partner, which is Jerry, and there you also this particular amount, which means the $3,000 are credited, and there you can finally see it. Okay, and you can also see this under the partner ledger as well. So under the partner ledger, you can find Jerry from here itself, and there you can find the amount. Okay, so there you can find the amount of Jerry as well. So once you are done with that, there we have. Okay, once you are done with that, let's move to the vendors. Okay, and let's move to the bills as well. So moving on to the bills, where is the bill that we created? Okay, this is not the bill. Let's move back to bill. Okay, this is our bill. Okay, so once we are moving on to the bill side, there and scrolling down under the total amount or the amount due side, you can also find an outstanding debit. Okay, for the outstanding debit, we have created a similar payment under the payment section, so we are going to add them. So once we are add that, there you can find the current bill is in payment stage but not yet paid. Okay, so for providing the payment, or if you want to pay this, you need to reconcile this. Okay, for that, let's head over to the dashboard itself, and here I'm moving to the transaction, and let's create a new one. So let's provide the due date, which is 20, and let me add the label, which is PDC payables. Okay, so once I'm done with that, I want to add the partner, which is Jerry, and we need to provide the amount in negative quantity. Okay, so here I'm providing it as negative $3,000, and let's add and close this. So once you add and close that, you can also find for the Jerry, there we have to reconcile, and there you can find the PDC that we have created. Okay, by selecting that particular PDC, let's enable, and here we are done with the reconciliation of Jerry, which means our vendor. So we are done with that, and moving on to the vendors. Under the bills, under the payments, you can finally see that particular bill is in paid status, which means we are paid by reconciling that into our bank. Okay, so that's how simply you can create a PDC for your vendor payments inside Odoo 19 accounting module. It's very simple, and you can manage them very easily as well. Okay. So, if you found this helpful, please do follow and subscribe. And I'll be back with more Odoo 19 accounting tutorials. Till that, bye bye.